Are you still struggling with sunburn? Have you tried different methods to get rid of that stubborn sunburn on your face? Let's face it. In this video, I will talk about and break down the causes of sunburn and also talk about treatment, homemade treatment that you can use to get rid of that sunburn. So let's go into the video. First of all, I want to talk about how how you can get a sunburn on your face or any part of your skin. There. Talking about how you get the causes of sunburn. The causes of sunburn, one of them is our chemical cream. If you are using a harsh product, a harsh skincare product on your face, and you have this sensitive skin, you will always react, you will always have sunburn, especially if you are using a face cream that contains hydroquinone or steroids and mercury. You will always have sunburn. If your skin is sensitive, you must always have sunburn on your face. Then also, number two, what can also causes sunburn is being exposed to the sun ray without you wearing sun protection screen, which is SPF, on your face. There, you may be wondering, for those that are new to SPF. SPF is a sun protection screen that you apply on your face. It's a lotion, it's a cream that you apply on your face to protect your face from the sun ray. And using SPF does not guarantee you that you should be under the sun for up to 10 hours. No, you can't do that, even though even though you applied sunscreen on your face there. So you being under the sun without applying sunscreen on your face, without you applying SPF on your face, you are going to get sunburn on your face there. So you understand what causes sunburn. These are the two major things I know really causes sunburn there. Then you may be asking, how do I get rid of the sunburn? I have applied different method. I have buy different product to get rid of the sunburn. I'm going to show you a homemade remedy that can get rid of sunburn. One of the homemade remedy, because there are two. One of the homemade remedy is honey. Honey is very powerful. I still have honey. Can you see it? Look at it. Can you see it? I just like showing you the name. You can get any honey, so far is original honey, because we have fake honey also. What I mean by fake honey, those ones that have already mixed. They will have the real honey that is not mixed. This is the real honey that is not mixed. So honey is a good product that can get rid of sunburn. I have gotten burnt on my skin. It's not sunburn, water burnt, hot water burnt on my skin. And this honey really works very well in getting rid of that water without leaving a spot of burnt on my skin there. So this honey is very powerful in getting rid of sunburn. And also, you are not going to use this honey alone to get rid of that sunburn. You will also use it with milk. You can use a dry milk, a dry powder milk, or a liquid powder milk. I always go with a liquid powder milk, because the dry powder milk, you're going to add water to it and stir it together, then add the honey to it. But the liquid one is already liquid, so just for you to turn it on a container or turn it on a cup that you know you want to use it for, then add this honey to it. You stir the honey and the milk together and apply it on that affected place that sunburn is, even though it's in your face. We also have sunburn on skin too. Maybe like the way I am now, I'm wearing this shirt that is a short sleeves here, and I expose myself to skin. All this part of my skin will experience sunburn. If I expose my skin the way I'm dressed like this, I expose it to sun. I stay under the sun up to 4 hours, up to 5 hours. You see this part of my skin will have the sunburn on it, because clothes did not cover this place, shirt did not cover this part of the skin, so it's going to have a sunburn on it. So you can also use it to get rid of that sunburn. It can be sunburn on your back, it can be sunburn on your skin. So you can use this honey mixed with milk, stir it together and apply it to that place. It works like magic. So you can use it to get rid of that stubborn sunburn on your face there. And what I mean by getting rid of that sunburn, but I did not say that it's going to work over there, because it's an homemade remedy. It does not contain steroids, it does not contain mercury, and it does not contain those harsh chemical creams. So it's not going to work like magic overnight. You're going to do it continually or consistency. You keep on doing it, you keep on applying it, then gradually you see that that sunburn will be fading away. You will see that finally you will just wake up one day and see that that sunburn is not there again. So this is it. In case you find this video very helpful, do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to click on that notification bell, that anytime we paste new videos, you will have the notification that we have posted new videos, and watch our videos also. And do not forget to share. When you share, the YouTube algorithm is going to recommend it to those looking for this kind of solution for their sunburn also. And also, do not forget to comment. When you also comment, the YouTube algorithm also is going to like share it out to people, to audience, to reach those that really need this video there. So if you find this video helpful, go to the comment section, tell me the product you have used in getting rid of your sunburn that works for you and the one that does not work for you. And also tell me whether you are trying this my method to see it will work for you also. Thank you. See you in my next video.